Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech RG. Today in this video I'd like to show you how you can refresh or reload a certain website at a regular interval of time on Google Chrome. This can be done very easily using one of the Google Chrome extension. Okay, let me start it. Double click Google Chrome. Once Google Chrome is open, you can click. Let me maximize it. Once Google Chrome is open, we can click on apps. You can see it here, apps. Click here and click on web store. Click on web store. If this option is not available on your Google Chrome, then most probably show bookmark bar is not enabled. I can show you how to enable bookmark bar also. Let me show you. Let me go here. You can go to this three dot. You can see it here. Click on three dot, then click on bookmark, show bookmark bar, and then right tick show bookmark bar. Okay. If you don't want to enable bookmark bar, then simply click on new tab, go for Chrome extensions. Once you open this, you can search for auto refresh. Let me open it. Then for the first option, I like to add super simple auto refresh. To add this one as a Chrome extension, I need to click on add to Chrome. Let me click it, then click on add extension. One extension is added, it will be done automatically. It will give you this small windows. Let me close it. Now let me show you how you can use this auto refresher. Let me open one of the website like bbc.com. As it is open completely now, if I would like to refresh or reload this website at certain interval, for example in every 5 seconds, then I can use auto refresher. Let me click on Chrome extension. Here you can see it here. Let me click here. Then I can go for super simple auto refresh, the one which I have just installed. Let me click. Then over here there are number of options. For this one I will go for 5 seconds. You can choose from 2 seconds max to 60 minutes, or you can even have your own custom time. For this example, I am going to click for 5 seconds. Let me click it. Now my 5-second countdown has started. You will see it very quickly. It has reloaded. In this way, if you have any website that needs to be reloaded at certain interval, then you can easily do it using auto refresher. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.